Yeah. So okay, don't be demotivated. It's a very long form, but nevertheless, well, and where I stopped now, this is actually how far many of the group members right now already learned the form. So that means today we're going to spend some time for the next section. So therefore, let's see. We are here. Right leg, right arm. Right gongbu, right arm. Okay, now I need to tell you the position that you are going to turn into right now. It is, wait, how many degrees is it? This is 45, this is another 90, 135 degrees to your right. Yes, how much is 135 to the right? This is where the body will need to turn, 135 degrees to the right side. So, then look, I'm here, so I'm standing, not sideways, it's 45 degrees. The next movement from here. Here. From the right gongbu, the right leg moves behind your back. The right leg moves behind your back and you are facing behind you right now from here. Okay, so we're in this position. Right hand on top of the left. Both palms in front of the chest. Not too close, a little bit more far out. So you're standing, right leg, right arm, right palm on top of the left, and now the right leg moves behind me. It moves behind me and I turn. After you are placing the right foot, now the left leg push straight. The left leg push straight, so you have some, so you are having some momentum, entering some momentum in the arms. Okay, everybody, go back to right leg, right gongbu, and right palm. So, then right hand on top of the left. Now the right leg takes a step behind you and turn. Okay, so good. Now watch a moment the next 3 movements. One, 2, palm 1, palm 2, palm 3. So we come out from here. You continue to turn to the right. Charge up the right arm. Charge up. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. The steps. Look. The steps. Here. I come out here, I continue. Step and impact almost at the same time. Okay, everybody, let's go here. Right leg is in the front. Right leg faces the front, both palms protecting the front of the body, because we come out from a right turn here. Continue a little bit, right arm charge. 1. Here, look. 2. 3. And again from here. So you come out from the right, from the turn. This turning of the body, yeah? You just came from a turning. You take this momentum of the turn to the right shoulder and then redirect it. So the first one, the first palm, uses the momentum from that complete body turn that you made before. Yeah, that's the first one. So you come out from the turn, bam, then it comes out. Yeah, look, it's like you come out from the turn and then it shoots out. Out, out. So, which means now, for example, also, how is the breathing? How are you going to breathe in that complete section? So when you are here, this here is inhale. This all in, out, 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 out. So three palm strikes. All of them use the same exhalation. Now this stepping, for example, yeah, you see the right leg always stays in the front right now. So how you practice, for example, yeah, here, right leg is in the front. Step and impact almost at the same time. Yeah, and it's 3 times. So after we come out from the turning, it's right, left, right, right, left, right. Okay, good. Let's continue. From here. 1, 2, 3. Close the body. Close the body. Open. Right palm, left palm, right palm, stance. This here is the left knee. This is the left knee. This is my left knee and this is my left arm. This is the right arm. One, 2, 3. Close. Inhale. Exhale, open. Inhale. Exhale. So, right side, left side, right side. Then I turn to the left side, close the body, and then I turn back to the right side, open. Yeah? So open. Now from here, the arms directly continue move up. I inhale. And when they're above the head, the fingers turn in. And here, next to the body. Down. Up. So this exercise, for example, especially this section right now here, yeah, what are you practicing? What do you try to achieve here? When you open to the side, in the moment where you open to the side, yeah, the energy is here and the energy is there. It's out. The energy is out. So then it's out, I bring it up. I bring it up. So what does it mean? It means also like your focus is very high at the moment. It's at the fingertips. It's at the fingertips. So, and now we need to bring what is very, very high up right now to practice, bring it down very quickly. This is why after you are up here, it's like you are collapsing. Yeah, look. Until you end up here. Yeah, this is one movement. After you come up, now it's one movement until you lift up the leg. In one movement. Yes, and hold the balance. So it is like you bring up, you shrink down, and directly continue upwards again. And hold the balance. The left leg is up, yes. Your left foot protects the right knee. Protects the right knee, or the knee hits your opponent, one of them. Okay, everybody return back to this posture. So, first, right palm, go, 1. Left palm, go. Right palm, go. Now, first the left foot turn, then turn the body. Close. Open. Double fist to both sides. Continue, lift up. And now, sink down, raise up. Sink and raise. Sinking, raising in one movement, and hold the balance. Continue one more time from here. Now right palm, 1, left palm, 2, right palm, 3, close, open, up, down, up. Again, one more time. Step, punch, the foot comes down when you have the impact. And right side, 1, left, 2, right, 3, close, open, lift, shrink, up. Now your left foot. Open, lift, sink, up, left, cross, and now just the right leg. Your right leg doesn't move. You only turn, continue, turn the body and sit. Yeah, from here, leg go down, just turn in. Left leg, step down, body, hip, turn, So let's see. One leg up. First you place the left foot down and then you turn the hip. Yeah, turn the hip more. So your solar plexus is facing whatever is behind you. Let's do the section completely from here. Right hand on top of the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. Open. Up. Down. Lift the knee. Yeah. Palms facing down. This palm face down, down. Left arm. Right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left palm. Right palm. Left block. Right block. Left. This is the right arm. This is the right arm. Yeah. So yeah, I switch side for you. Look. So I was up here. Then I guide, for example, both hands down. Yeah, I'm guiding both hands down. Then one left palm, right palm. After the right palm, at this move, 1, 2, 3. Here, yeah. Here, now I grab. Pull. Grab, pull. Grab, grab, pull. So I end up here. It's 1, 2. 1, 2. But it's open in the form. This is that hand position. And in the moment when you pull, then the left knee go up. So you figure out for yourself for what this movement can be used. Okay. Let's do from the beginning, from here. So, first, right palm, 1, go. Then left palm, step, go. Yeah, step and palm at the same time. Yeah, you impact when the foot touch the floor. Yeah, go one again, one more time. Start from here. Okay, so concentrate. Before you move, go a little, turn right side, and then go 1, 2. Yeah, inhale, out, in, out. Yeah, inhale, exhale. So, okay. So right palm, go 1. Then left palm, 2. Right palm, 3. Now close the body. Inhale. Open, exhale. Then lift the arms above the head. Sink down and directly raise up. Hold the balance. Place the left foot down and turn the foot in already a little bit. Your left foot shows to the left side. So look at your foot. You're placing it already. After here, the left foot. There. So. And down. 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 So, you're still looking to the front, yes. So, and now it's also 2 palm strikes again, but this time starting with the left palm. So, left palm, go. 1. And right palm, 2. Good. Then become cloud hands. 1. Left side, right side, left, pull knee. Okay, let's go together. Right hand on top of the left. Turn. Right palm, 1. Left palm, 2. Right palm, 3. close the body, open, up, sink, left foot, place to the left side, both palms face down, eyes still there, eyes still there. Right leg, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. Okay, again. From here. So before you throw out that palm, you turn in the body a little bit more to the right side. So it's like you are charging up your rubber band. Charge up the body, yeah? Charge up, and then release. It's like charge up, release. So there is something your body is doing, and at the same time you're merging it, of course, with the breath, which means when you charge up, you inhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, let's go together. Both palms together. Now, charge up. And right palm, 1. Left palm, 2. Third palm, 3. Turn to the left side, close the body. Open to the right side, double fist. Inhale, move upwards. Now let it sink down until the feet as quick as you can and raise up again. Hold the balance. Hold the balance. When you place the left foot down now, already place it in such a way that it's facing to your left side. Then both palms face downwards. And continue the movement by turning in the body and shrinking down. Your eyes still look to the left, to the right. Then from here, your right leg comes out to the front. The right leg comes to the front with the left palm. And now one more right palm. Okay, good. Then from here, you start with your left arm. Yeah, you are here. Your left arm comes up. The left arm come up. Turn to the left. The right arm come up. Turn to the right. Left arm up. Back to the left. Grab. Pull back. Left knee up. Okay, one more time from the beginning. From the beginning, which was the right Gong Bu 45 degrees and right palm.
Sorry, which is the right position? We have to face you or we have to give you the back. So this is my problem now. And then I cannot...
Well, after... why are you anyway? Why are you not unmuted? No, just kidding. Yeah, no, after I upload the video, then you figure out for yourself. Yeah, it's not so hard, because I say very often which is my left side, which is my right side. So yes, yeah, you're gonna manage. Good, so continue. Right leg here. Right leg, right palm. Then right arm on top of the left. Turn. Charge. Right palm 1. Left palm 2. Right palm 3. Close. Open. Up. Down. Up. Place the foot. Double palms. Pull. Step out. Palm. Another step. Palm. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Turn to the left. Grab. Pull. Good. Okay, so what time is it? Ah, yeah. We still have a few minutes to go. Feel free, go drink something. Take a glass of water. I'm gonna see that I upload you this recording as soon as possible so you can re-practice everything. And for the next few minutes, I think let's have some question and answer in case there are any questions.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear someone.
Okay, question to the form, to the previous section. When you got the left foot down, the hands, are they both trying to get the left side of the left knee or of the left leg, or is one right and one left?
No, they are both on the left side of your spine. They're both on the left side of your body.
Okay.
Yeah, so from the front, yeah, is here. We're here. Here. So not here, here.
Okay.
Both on the left side of the spine. Then from here, I take the step to the front. 1 palm, 2 palm, and then comes here.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
When you sink down, when do you change the weight to the right leg, and then you can raise up with your left leg?
As soon as I feel that everything that I want to bring down has reached the bottom. First, everything, it's like, yeah, this movement. It's like, yeah, it's like if you have like a, let's say you have a rubber ball or anything like this, and you just drop that rubber ball down to the earth. So when is the moment when that rubber ball is gonna jump up again? Well, when all the energy from sinking down has reached the bottom. Then it's gonna bounce up again. And this is like the type of feeling inside of you that you can practice with this type of movement, yeah? So it's up, up, up. Yeah, so that means also when your hands are moving over your head, still keep the focus really up on the head, and then you practice inside of you, like in one split second, you drop everything that's until the fingertips, you drop it as quick as you can. Yeah, then it comes down to the, and then you bring it up again into the next posture.
Because you change the weight in the middle somewhere.
Well, yes, because you figure out for yourself without hurting. That's the point. Yeah, because if your legs are too far away from each other after you open the fist, then it doesn't feel right. So almost, let's say you go even lower later. One. Now from here. See, I'm already close. Yeah. So in the moment, shortly before the arms drop, the left leg, you take a step in. So that means you're ending up being compact in the moment where it drops.
Thank you.
Does it answer the question?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah, I saw some questions that you were asking in the group. One of them is to show you how the form looks when all sections are together. This I demonstrated to you before. And the other questions, I think one of them was if there is anything positive about anger. So if you are having anger, is there anything positive about it? Well, I was thinking about it, and yeah, I think so, because sometimes it's not just necessary to know what you want. It is as helpful also to know what you don't want in your life. And anger is one of them that you don't want to have in your life. Yeah, how come? Because I don't remember any situation in my life, at least, where anger helped me with anything. Some of you might say, yeah, but sometimes getting angry, it helps to like motivate yourself, or it gives you that additional fire. Yes, but there are other things that can also give it to you. Anger is probably one of these things, well, that if you get angry, that makes you change something, but at the same time, it's also very destructive. Its energy can be very destructive. So therefore, what's the positive part? It is good to know when you have it, and then to not let it take over. So because, like I just said before, it's good to know what you don't want to have also in your lifetime. But how do you know? How do you recognize something that you don't want to have in your life? Well, first of all, you must have to feel it at least one time. And this is actually a conversation, or this area of conversation I already had this week with some of the guests that came to the monastery, and also my disciples here. Look, this is my theory. Yeah? Everybody, sooner or later has to face the same stuff that is bringing suffering over the human being. Everyone, every one of you, you all will suffer. Yeah. The question is, how often are you going to suffer? Because let's say like this, when you were a child and somebody was taking something away from you, then as a child, we already felt this feeling of loss. You just lost a toy. Somebody took it away from you. Now you are grown up. But if somebody takes something away from you and you have the feeling it's also leaving you, again, the feeling of loss is coming back. But what is the difference between the loss, the feeling of loss that you felt when you were a child and the feeling of loss that you feel right now? It's the same loss. The category of why you are suffering out of this situation is because you have not managed yet the area of loss. Now, loss is, for example, one thing. Now, in the past, you were a child. I always take the children's stories. That's always good. Something made you jealous. You were jealous as a child, yeah? Because maybe another boy, another girl from the school, he got something that you didn't get. You got jealous. Now compare this jealousy from the past with the jealousy that you have nowadays. Jealousy because somebody else has a, I don't know, has a nicer car, or jealousy because in the relationship whatsoever. The point is, what is the difference between the jealousy in the past and the jealousy that you feel right now? It's the same category, just the situation has changed. Things look different. The persons involved are different. The objects involved are different. But in the core, you are dealing with the same issue that is causing the suffering. So what I'm telling you is, there are many different categories, as I see. Categories that bring suffering over you if you not sooner or later start to find a solution in those areas. Anger can bring you suffering. Attachment can bring you suffering. Too much joy can bring you suffering. Jealousy can bring you suffering. Sadness can bring you suffering. Pain can bring you suffering. So there are many different areas. They sometimes through this lifetime look different, but in the core they are all the same. So this is where I would say you observe your life and figure this out for yourself. It is like similar to that story. Yeah, in the Shaolin Temple, or in general, we say there are 3 ways of learning: the hard way, the easy way, and the wise way. The hard way is, the easy way is by copying, by imitating. The easy way of learning is by imitating someone. The easy way. The hard way is you want to make your own experience. The hard way is you want to make your own experience. And the wise way, or the noble way, is you are listening to the experience of someone, think about it, and therefore learn from it. That is the wise way. Now I think there are some areas in this lifetime everybody needs to learn the hard way. Like what, for example? One day in your lifetime you need to burn yourself. Yeah, it's not enough if you tell your children don't touch the heat plate. One day they just have to touch it. So, but now comes the thing. They touch the heat plate, they burn themselves. So that's causing some pain there. Now normally that heat plate, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, right? I don't think your child needs to touch the other 3 as well to understand it's going to be the same result. So that means it's just necessary that for this one time you are feeling what does it mean to be burned. What is the pain of fire? What is the pain of burning? And when you are afterwards intelligent enough, you also don't need to put your fingers into open fire. You also will not need to put your fingers into like burning coal. And also you don't need to put your fingers into an oven. Why? Because all of these are related to the pain of burning on fire. But still, I think one time it's necessary to really get in touch with what can fire do to you if you are not careful. And in the same way, I see it as the anger. You need to you need to know what anger is. You need to be angry. And then afterwards, think about the consequences this anger would cause to you if you are not going to manage it. So, and therefore I think anger is a part, yeah, you will need to feel it, and you will also need to think about the consequences that it will have upon yourself and also on other people in your surroundings if you don't find a way to handle it. Now I think we're a little bit over time already, but nevertheless I think let's just have one more question if you have some.
Master, can I ask you one question?
Yes?
This was regarding the monkey poses where we tend to...
What do you mean by doing inside of this state? This